I think I just found a piece of aluminum. Yeah. Nice piece of aluminum. I almost thought that was plastic. If I wouldn't have fallen on the floor, I wouldn't have heard it ring. It would have been like, ah, just another hunk of plastic. Throw it in the garbage. Let's see here. There's a screw holding this. How do I get to it? Oh, no, nothing there. That's pretty much out. It feels like something's holding it back. And I don't see a screw anywhere. Sometimes there's hidden screws and it just throws everything out of whack. And it drives you crazy trying to find it. Oh, there you go. Look at that, I missed one on the back end. Or on the back of the, or the underside, I should say. There you go. Finally, got it. Oh, there you go. See what one little tiny screw can do? So, we have a bunch of other things here. We have a battery, we have the fan and the heatsink. Nice piece of aluminum. And the copper here, you can pry it out from under. And even here, the black part here under, it's all copper. So let's undo this guy. So there you go, a nice piece of aluminum, nice piece of copper. You can remove the fan, throw it into your copper bearing motor pile. Alright, and this one even has a removable CPU chip. I wouldn't sell it just because this might actually be the issue with the computer. Gold pins and everything. And we got pretty much a clean motherboard. I think these are one socket boards. We'll do that. Let's see, let's get this out here. Some more cables to remove. And this here, more aluminum, more aluminum.